Very good morning to all of you. We are starting with the class. So in previous class, we had started with instruction set of 885. So instruction set classification we have studied. How many instruction sets are there? Classification. क्या classification था instruction set का? Please write in the chat box. Yes. So all of you remember, that's good. So this classification and how many instructions were there we have discussed. Data transfer instructions we have started. In that, I think 9 instructions we have completed. And the last instruction was okay. Please student join fast. So what was our last instruction we have studied in the class? क्या था हमारा last instruction? You're writing in your copies now. Alexei, okay. This was our last instruction, Alexei. LDAX we have studied, load accumulator indirect. The syntax example is shown here. Next, data transfer instruction, LXI, register pair, 16-bit data. So in LXI, we have two operands. Okay. First operand is your destination, second is your source. So register pair, in any of the register pair, I want to load 16-bit data. I have to use LXI instruction. Clear? 16-bit data is stored in register pair. Like if I am pointing, we have studied first two instruction, move a comma m. So what is m? M is pointed out by the register pair HL data. So if initially I want to put the data in HL pair, the memory location which I want to be that it should be identified is to be placed in HL pair. Then I will use move a comma m. So what m will do? M will point the memory location address. M will point to the memory location address whose data is present in register pair HL. So HL में जो भी address data present होगा उस memory location को हम point करेंगे and that memory location will have some 8-bit data. That 8-bit data is loaded into register A. Clear? So LXI load register pair. लास्ट में आई आ रहा है, ऐसे ही हमने एक एमबीआई इंस्ट्रक्शन पढ़ा था उसमें भी लिखा था मूव इमीडिएटली. हियर लोड रजिस्टर पेयर इमीडिएट. So this is the syntax. See, this instruction we can use to add 16-bit data. Otherwise, it's not possible to directly perform any of the operation on 16-bit data by using 8085. 8-bit data operation is possible, but we can perform 16-bit addition subtraction by using this instruction because the 16-bit data can be loaded in register pair BCDEHL. We can load that data BCDEHL and then we are having one specific instruction to add directly 16-bit data. So we can use that over here. So it is having many pros to use this Alexa instruction, and majorly in all the programs you have to use Alexa instruction, because here the address is to be defined by user. So wherever I want to define address, then I have to use Alexa instruction. Okay, then next instruction, data transfer instruction, LHLD. Please write down in your copy so that at least you will be knowing the names of the instruction, because this language is new to you. It's assembly language programming we are doing. So ALPs, we have to remember the opcodes. Machine will get their hexadecimal codes, but a user has to remember this opcodes. Hexadecimal code are the codes identified uniquely for every instruction. For a single instruction, there is a single hexadecimal code which is identified by the manufacturing companies which are producing the 885 microprocessor IC. Any other students want to join intermediately or disturbing the class? Okay, so got the instruction LHLD? Any doubt you want to ask? Load HL register direct. See, by the opcode you can get the description. Load HL pair register directly. Again, it is a 16-bit address. This is specifically used to load only HL register. मुझे BCDE को load करना है तो I can't use this instruction. Is it clear? See what it is doing. 16-bit address is getting copied into LHLD. This instruction copies the contents of memory location pointed out by 16-bit address. 16-bit address पे जो memory location pointed होगी वहाँ it will point the memory location, clear, or it will take the data into register L and H. Clear? Two subsequent datas will be transferred to HL pair. ये देखो एग्जाम्पल है, इसे तुम्हें समझ में आ जाएगा. LHLD L में पहला एड्रेस स्टोर होगा. आई विल राइट हियर, यू विल गेट इट इजीली. L register and H register. Okay, so what is happening over here? By using this instruction, what we are doing, LHLD 2040 hex. So what it will do, 2040 hex पे जो पहला data present होगा, that will be stored in L register. So which location it will store? It will store the data of 2040. Okay, that data will be stored here. इसमें कुछ भी डेटा प्रेजेंट हो सकता है. Whatever data, 8-bit data will be present at this memory location. The data will be stored in register L. Is it clear? The data will be stored in register L. Next data, 41 memory location, automatically it will increment, and 41 memory location data will be stored in H. अगर मेरे पास 16-bit data है, 1 1 B C hex. This data is there at this memory location. 2040 में क्या होगा मेरा BC hex, और 2041 में 11 hex will be present. So this data will be stored in HL pair. So I am pointing the address by using LHLD instruction. So it will point two memory locations, and subsequently 8-bit data will be loaded into register L and register H. Clear? This instruction will copy the contents of memory location 2040 hex, that is the data present in that position, into L register first, and the contents at memory location 2041. Whatever data is present at that memory location into register H. Is it clear? Any doubt you want to ask? Scan, waiting. Anything you want to ask? Okay. So should we move ahead? ठीक है, LHLD 16-bit address. Next, STA. Opcode STA and operand is 16-bit address. ऐसा ही कोई इंस्ट्रक्शन ने पहले पढ़ा है क्या? It's synonym. Have we studied any similar? Yes, it was LDA. Very good. Load. Here, store accumulator directly. Store. The contents of accumulator are copied into the memory location specified by the operand. इससे पहले हमने इसका रिवर्स ऑपरेशन पढ़ा था. Load accumulator. We have to load the accumulator by the 16-bit address data present at the 16-bit address. Here what we are doing, the contents of accumulator. Store accumulator. कहाँ स्टोर करोगे? उस मेमोरी लोकेशन पे स्टोर करोगे जहां ये 16-bit एड्रेस पॉइंट आउट कर रहा है. The contents of accumulator are copied into the memory location specified by the operand. STA2500 hex. क्या होगा इससे? STA2500 hex से 2500 hex पे जो भी डेटा प्रेजेंट होगा, तो क्या होगा? इस एड्रेस पे जो भी डेटा प्रेजेंट होगा वो कहाँ जाएगा? That will move into accumulator. तो यहाँ पे हो सकता है मेरा 20 हेक्स डेटा हो या 40 hex data ho, या any data which is present over here will be shifted to accumulator. The contents of accumulator are copied into the memory location specified by the operand. Store accumulator. तो जो भी डेटा मेरा accumulator में present है 40 hex, that will be stored at this memory location. Clear? और इसका उल्टा हमने परफॉर्म किया था LDA इंस्ट्रक्शन में. The contents of accumulator are copied into the memory location specified by the operand. So operand में क्या है? एक 16-bit एड्रेस है. Whatever is the value of accumulator, accumulator में मेरा 40 hex है, that will be stored in 2500 hex. Clear? So next, this is my STA instruction. Store accumulator directly. Next, stacks instruction. Again, its similar instruction is store accumulator direct. Indirect, sorry, it's indirect, है ना? पहले direct था because address was mentioned over there. यहाँ पे address mentioned था 16-bit address. अब यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? Just a register pair is mentioned over here, so it is written as indirect. This we will study later on. These depends on the addressing modes which we are using to select source and destination. So what is STX? The contents of accumulator similar as your STA. ठीक है, STA में वो memory location present थी operand में. Here that memory location is not present in the operand. Instead of that, register pair is there. Okay. So store accumulator indirect. The contents of accumulator are copied into the memory location specified by the contents of register pair. अब क्या प्रेजेंट होगा बी में, ये बताओ. Yes, write down in your chat box. I'm waiting. What will be there in register B? और वो कहाँ स्टोर होगा? Yes, please answer. What is there in register B? रजिस्टर बी में क्या होगा? डेटा होगा. ठीक है. एंड दैट डेटा will point to an address. Ultimately data is there, but that data, it's not directly data, it's register pair. See students, register pair we are writing, that means it is a 16 bit. So 16 bit में जो भी present है, ठीक है, that will act as, that data will act as a memory location. उस मेमोरी लोकेशन पे क्या डेटा प्रेजेंट है, दैट इज माय 8 बिट डेटा. क्लियर? बी सी वी ऑलवेज राइट बी. क्लियर? वी डोंट राइट बी सी एज इन syntax in your opcodes. We just write B, but by looking towards opcode, you should know it is a register pair or simple register. Register pair है, that means 16 bit data will be there, but that 16 bit data is not to be copied into accumulator. That 16 bit data is representing the address. At that address, memory location, memory pointer is pointed at that memory location, and the data which is present at that memory location is shifted to accumulator. Is it clear? So please, the syntax are very, very important. That's why I'm saying you to write this syntax properly in your copies. Because writing makes us perfect. We learn by writing. Because you have to write programs also. If you won't write this, then it is not possible for you to write the programs. So stacks B. So we are moving ahead. Now it will be the last instruction of data transfer. SHLD. What is SHLD? जैसे हमने पढ़ा था LHLD. उसमें क्या किया था हमने? LH pair में we have stored 8-bit data in that register. Now reverse operation we are performing the contents of register L, और उसमें हमारा सीक्वेंस क्या था? L में हमने जो मेमोरी एड्रेस गिवन था, ठीक है ना, वो डेटा स्टोर किया था, जो मेमोरी एड्रेस गिवन था, और +1 करके हमने H में स्टोर किया था. क्लियर? सेम रिवर्स ऑपरेशन हियर वी विल परफॉर्म. SHLD स्टोर HL रजिस्टर्स डायरेक्ट. डायरेक्ट आ रहा है मींस इन द ऑपरेंड 16 bit address is present. Okay, so the contents of register L are stored into memory location specified by 16-bit address. Next, the contents of register H are stored into the next memory location. एग्जाम्पल इज गिवन टू यू. तो अब मुझे ये बताओ कि H में कौन सा मेमोरी लोकेशन का डेटा स्टोर होगा और L में कौन से मेमोरी लोकेशन का डेटा स्टोर होगा. जस्ट राइट डाउन योर आंसर्स इन चैट बॉक्स. Few students are really working very nicely in MPI, responding continuously whatever questions I am asking you. तो L में क्या जाएगा? 2550 मेमोरी लोकेशन. इस मेमोरी लोकेशन पे जो डेटा प्रेजेंट होगा दैट विल बी स्टोर्ड इनटू 2550. एल में मेरा डेटा है, जैसे आई विल अज्यूम 88 हेक्स इज द डेटा आई एम हैविंग इन एल, 89 आई एम हैविंग इन एच. तो अब क्या होगा? एल में जो डेटा प्रेजेंट है वो स्टोर हो जाएगा 2550 मेमोरी लोकेशन पे, और H में जो डेटा है वो स्टोर हो जाएगा 2551 मेमोरी लोकेशन पर. So is it clear? Quick revision is needed for all the data transfer instruction. अच्छा अभी एक और बाकी है. Next, XCHG. After finishing this, we will clarify. 13 instructions are there. Till now, I think we have studied 11 instructions. So next is XCHG. By the name, you will come to know what we have to do. But it is very specific instruction. Operands क्या है इसमें? Operands है Why you are so late, Hemu, in the class? Please try to be on time. Because these instructions, it becomes very easier if you will understand the concepts in the class. Otherwise, it's very tough to understand. So XCHG में operands नहीं है. There are no operands used. The instruction is totally meaningful by its opcode only. Exchange HL and DE. ऐसा नहीं है कि BCDE exchange हो जाएगा या तुम्हारा DHL-BC exchange हो जाएगा. No, it's specific. Exchange HL and DE register pair. The contents of क्या होगा इसमें? The contents of register H are exchanged with the contents of register D. Getting this instruction. What happened, Hemu? Mute your mic. If you want to write anything, you can write it in your chat box. The contents of register H are exchanged with the contents of register D. Okay, and the contents of register L are exchanged with the contents of register E. So this is the basic logic. When it is needed, in few programs when we are having very limited registers and I have to use 3 register pairs, clear, and there I'm having limitation ki we are having only 3 register pair in 885 and I need more 16-bit data. So what I will do, I will exchange the data, I will perform certain operation, then that data pair, register pair will be vacant. I can use it to upload next data. In many programs, it's required to exchange this data. So is it clear? Exchange, XCHG. Okay, so moving ahead. Example, you can see directly, you can write this XCHG instruction. Okay, without operands. No operands are there here. No operands, okay? Next, SPHL. See, these instructions are placed into data transfer instructions, or we can have a separate group of instruction. You can write that also. Because in maximum books, these are mentioned in your stack operations. So in bracket, you can write stack operations. Okay? But these stack operations are also used to perform data transfer only. That's why these instructions are shifted to data transfer instruction. तो तुम इसके साथ में लिख सकते हो stack operation और उसमें number 1, number 2 कर सकते हो. ठीक है? Because there are many stack instructions. So from here, data transfer instruction ki subheading you can put as stack operation. Clear? We all know stack memory. All the data are placed one by one. Last in, first out strategy we can follow over here. So stack operation में सबसे पहला इंस्ट्रक्शन हम पढ़ रहे हैं. Stack क्या होता है? Stack is a portion of. Please mute your mic. Want to say anything? Okay. So stack operation में हम सबसे पहले पढ़ रहे हैं XTHL. And what is stack? I will just discuss in a few points. The stack is a portion of read-write memory set aside by the user for the purpose of storing information temporarily. When the information is written on the stack, the operation is called, I think you know these operations very well. You have learned so many. You are having so many language commands. There you use stack memories. So what is the instruction to write in the stack? It is called push instruction, PUSH. And when the information is read from stack, the operation is called POP, P-O-P. Okay. So the microprocessor stores the information much like stacking plates. Using this analogy of stacking plates, we are using stack operations and stack memory is used. And to use stack memory to read and write, we have to use push and pop instructions. So we will start with the first instruction, XTHL, where operands are none. There are no operands used over here. And please remember this. Just you have to write the opcode exchange HL with top of the stack. Stack memory. Here I can draw. This is my memory. Each memory location is pointed out by 16-bit address. ठीक है. And stack pointer होता है जो जहां पे भी मेरा सबसे लास्ट डेटा स्टोर होगा उसको हम कहेंगे स्टैक पॉइंटर, SP. जहां तक भी डेटा स्टोर होगा, आई एम अज्यूमिंग आई एम हैविंग हियर लास्ट डेटा 12 height, so it will point stack pointer. तो क्या करेगा? The contents of this instruction XTHL, the contents of register L are exchanged with the location pointed out by the contents of stack pointer SP. Clear? The instruction exchange the contents of memory location pointed by the stack pointer with the contents of register L. तो ये किससे करेगा? रजिस्टर L से. Again here we are using 16-bit register HL pair. So SP का डेटा स्टोर होगा L रजिस्टर में and the contents of next memory location will be exchanged with the contents of H register with the contents of next memory location. तो SP+1 में जो भी डेटा होगा, मतलब यहाँ मेरा है 2700, 2701, 2702, 2703. तो 2703 का डेटा will be stored in L register. 2704 data will be stored. Next memory location data will be stored in register HSP+1. तो इसके आगे जो भी डेटा होगा स्टैक मेमोरी में, ठीक है, that will be stored in register H. Clear? Anything you want to ask? L में SP का डेटा और L+1 में SP प्लस H में SP+1 का डेटा. ओके ठीक है. तो XTHL इंस्ट्रक्शन स्टैक पॉइंटर पॉइंट्स द मेमोरी लोकेशन. ठीक है, the last memory location where the data is stored. After that I can start storing the data from stack pointer. So clear XTHL instruction. Next, so all these instruction comes under stack operation. In exam they can ask you separately, please discuss stack operations, what is stack memory, and how stack instructions are used. So you have to mention these instructions. PCHL, very important instruction. PCHL. PC क्या होता है? PC is my all these things we have discussed in the architecture. PC is my program counter, which always counts the memory location whenever we are writing a program. The program is fetched into microprocessor IC, then it will start fetching all the instructions and program counter will count the memory locations. So PCHL instruction, again operands are none. Load program counter with HL contents. HL में जो भी एड्रेस प्रेजेंट होगा 16 बिट वो कहाँ चला जाएगा? प्रोग्राम काउंटर में. अब क्या करेगा? माइक्रो प्रोसेसर will start running the program from the address which is present in the program counter. ठीक है. Previously it was running any other program whose memory locations are starting from 2000 to 2050 hex. In between I am loading the program counter. PCHL instruction मैंने लिखा, so what will happen? It will load program counter with HL content. So again what will happen? The program counter address will be changed. So the contents of register H and L are copied into the program counter. Clear? The contents of H are placed as the higher order byte and the contents of L as the lower order byte. H पहले फिर L. H में तुम्हारा स्टोर होगा MSB, L में स्टोर होगा LSB. PCHL instruction. See, this PCHL instruction is also mentioned in bracket. You can write branch group instructions, PCHL. So what we are doing here इस इंस्ट्रक्शन में हम पूरा 16 बिट रजिस्टर पेयर लिख रहे हैं. ठीक है ना. वी आर नॉट राइटिंग लाइक एच. तो जो भी एच और एल में प्रेजेंट होगा दैट विल बी शिफ्टेड टू पीसी. जैसे अगर एच एल में 6000 है तो इट विल बी लोडेड इनटू द प्रोग्राम काउंटर. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, पुश इंस्ट्रक्शन, स्टैक ऑपरेशन इंस्ट्रक्शन. पुश के साथ ऑलवेज यू हैव टू राइट रजिस्टर पेयर. तब ये क्या करेगा? What is its role? It is always used when we are using stack memory. Push register pair, push B, push C, push B, push D, and push H. Okay, these are the register pairs. Push register pair into stack. Push register pair into the stack. Is it clear? The contents of register pair are copied into stack. Contents of register pair are copied into stack. मतलब क्या होगा? ये इंस्ट्रक्शन सबसे पहले क्या करेगा? दिस इंस्ट्रक्शन डिक्रीमेंट स्टैक पॉइंटर बाय 1 and copies the higher byte of the register pair into the memory location pointed by stack pointer. It then decrements the stack pointer again by 1 and copies the lower byte. हमेशा क्या होगा? मैंने यहाँ डायग्राम बनाया था मेमोरी लोकेशन. See this diagram. तो यहाँ क्या होगा? यहाँ मेरा स्टोर होगा लोअर बाइट और यहाँ स्टोर होगा मेरा हायर बाइट. I can't write it very nicely. Please understand my writing. So lower byte data is present here and higher byte is present at lower memory location. ठीक है, तो push instruction क्या करेगा? The और stack pointer कहाँ mark होगा मेरा? यहाँ. This instruction decrements stack pointer by 1 and copies the higher byte of the register. See now this जहां पे भी मेरा लास्ट डेटा प्रेजेंट होगा, ठीक है, इनिशियली देर इज नो डेटा, तो स्टैक पॉइंटर कहाँ होगा? लास्ट मेमोरी लोकेशन पे यहाँ. इसके बाद भी एक मेमोरी लोकेशन आई कैन ड्रॉ. व्हाट आई विल डू? आई विल डिक्रीमेंट द स्टैक पॉइंटर बाय 1. दैट स्टैक पॉइंटर विल बी शिफ्टेड अपवर्ड्स and I will fill this data. Again it will shifted upwards and I will get the lower byte of data. So my stack pointer is changed to this address after performing push operation. Clear? After performing push operation, SP is pointed over here. पहले SP मेरा यहाँ था, जो मेरी लास्ट मेमोरी लोकेशन थी. यहाँ पे मैंने एक डेटा स्टोर कर रखा था. I have pointed out SP over here. Then what I will do? SP will pointed -1, higher data byte, then lower data byte. Okay, so in this instruction, copies decrement stack pointer by 1 and copies the higher byte of the register pair into the memory location pointed by stack pointer. तो push B and C is a register pair. अब क्या होगा? B का डेटा कहाँ जाएगा? Stack pointer -1, higher byte will be stored. Again stack pointer -1, the lower byte data will be stored. Clear? So 2 times I have to decrement the stack pointer to perform this operation, because stack pointer point out the memory location, the highest memory location where the data is stored. Clear? The contents of register pair are copied onto the stack. SP is decremented and the contents of higher order registers. Higher order क्या क्या हो सकते हैं? B, C, D, E, H, L are copied into the stack. SP is again decremented and the contents of lower order address registers. B के साथ pair होता है C, D के साथ E, H के साथ L और accumulative के साथ flags are copied onto stack. So this is the example. Any doubt? Anything you want to ask? So data transfer instruction. Next instruction is a pop instruction. You have written the important points of push stack operation. Write down next instruction, push. Pop instruction. Please write down in the chat box roll number from roll number 1 to 10. जो भी present है 1 to 10 ही लिखेंगे पहले. Write down your roll numbers in the chat box. And others, please write down this pop instruction details, which is shown 1 to 10 में only 3 students, 1, 8, 9, 7, 9, 7, 5 students are present. Next from मैं ये मोहित और प्रियांशी के एब्सेंट मार्क करने वाली हूँ, ठीक है ना. Next 10 to 20 roll number. 10 to 20 roll numbers, please put your roll numbers. 17, 19 and 20. Okay. 17, 19 and 20. Next. 3 students. Next. 20 to 30. 28, 27, 25, 21, 2, 30. 6 students are present. Again, I will repeat. 28, 27, 21, 25, 22, 30. Next, 30 to 40. 31 कभी नहीं आता है ना. और 30 मनोज शर्मा. Who is Manoj Sharma? Coming for the first time in the class. तुम्हारा रिकॉर्ड तो मैंने सबमिट कर दिया है लेस अटेंडेंस का. 30, 32, 33, 37. At least now be regular. It's my second class. First class कब की थी मनोज? हाँ. नेक्स्ट 30 to 40. तो भी लेस अटेंडेंस में ही है ना. 10 क्लास लेनी मैंने, उसमें से तुमने 2 अटेंड किए. नेक्स्ट 30 to 40. Be fast. 40 to 50. 40 to 50. 41, 50. Okay. 50 to 60. 45, 54. बस. और कोई? 58. मोहित. Last class is my first class. You may have. Manoj Sharma is 31. Manoj Sudhar is 31. Manoj Sharma is 30. तो लास्ट क्लास में तुमने अटेंडेंस गलत दी थी क्या? एंड मुस्कान इज 32. 55. Okay. 54. And then I have marked 51. No, not 51. It's directly 45. Anybody missing? 55, 58, 54. Okay. So student, next instruction was my pop instruction. Register pair. The contents of top of the stack are copied into register pair. Clear. The contents of location pointer opposite of push. जैसे मैंने पहले stack pointer में data store किया था. Now I am removing the data from stack pointer. So stack pointer address will be changed after push and pop instruction. The contents of location pointed out by SP are copied to the low order register. Low order register क्या होते हैं मेरे? C, E, L and flag. SP is incremented and the contents of location are copied to the higher order register B, D, H, A. Push and pop. What will happen if I will use first push and then pop instruction? The stack pointer address will remain same. पहले मैंने data डाला, फिर मैंने data निकाल दिया, तो stack pointer का address वही का वही रह जाएगा. It will remain the same. So any doubt? We will continue with next class. So any doubt you want to ask? So we will stop our class here only. We'll continue in next class. And I have uploaded all the video lectures. This also I will upload. And I have shared all the maximum data in your Google Classroom. So goodbye students.